Hello everyone. This is a video where I will be showing a glimpse of my next sewing tutorial. So this is a dress I'm designing. This is my next project. So this is full sleeves, as in mutton leg sleeves with crop top and collars, and bottom is a pencil skirt, high waist pencil skirt. I don't know how long will I be taking to sew this dress. I believe it will take a day or two. So this is just a glimpse like what is coming up next. So keep waiting and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get the notification for more and more videos. And if you want me to make a tutorial in regards to how to sketch a croquis or a dress, so please comment below. Definitely I'll do that for you. Keep watching and I'll keep updating. Bye bye.
Never. Princess.
And so let me help you with the measurements. So my waist measurement is 27, not so tiny, and then 32, and this is the hip measurement 37. It should have been 36. So it would be curvy, and the total length of this pencil skirt would be 35 inches. It could be shorter or longer, depends on sewing. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.